Hello, Six Pack Factory fam, and welcome back to another Workout Wednesday. Today we have an ultimate ab workout for beginners. So for today's workout, we are going to do 3 sets. We're going to do double crunches, Russian twists, bridges, and hyperextensions each for 20 seconds. Then we're going to take a 30-second rest and do it all over again 3 times. This is a 5-minute workout. We're going to keep it short and sweet today. Get ready to rock and roll. We're getting started in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, double crunch, 2, 1, go. 20 seconds here. We really want to watch our neck and making sure you're not straining your neck, and make sure to keep your core nice and tight. You got 10 seconds here. You're doing an awesome job. 3, 2, 1, moving on into those Russian twists, side to side. 20 seconds here, 15 seconds to go. Keep that core nice and tight, 10 seconds. And again, don't strain your neck. 3, 2, 1, moving into bridge, 20 seconds. You don't want to overextend your back here, so keep it at a nice, comfortable position. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, hyperextensions. We're going to move on to our belly. Put your arms out in front of you and lift up at your core. Keep that core nice and tight. And don't try to chicken neck. You want to keep your head nice and even. 7 seconds. You're doing awesome. 3, 2, 1. Take that 30-second break. You've earned it. And if during this workout you need to pause the video, take longer breaks, do what you need to do, make it through the workout. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. We've got 20 seconds left on this rest. So we're gonna do today's workout, keep it short, 5 minutes, because when you're first getting started in fitness, consistency is key. If you don't have time, you've got 10 seconds here. If you don't have time for a big, long workout, you can get in a 5-minute workout. So that's why these beginner workouts are so short, because we wanna get you into the habit of working out. 3, 2, 1, going into those double crunches. 15 more seconds here. 10 seconds. And with these shorter workouts, you can go all out, give it your everything, get that heart rate going, and work those muscles. 3, 2, 1, Russian twists. Seconds here. Keep it up. You're doing awesome. 3, 2, 1, bridge. And as you're learning these motions and these movements, you really want to be focusing on your form to keep a good functional movement going. 10 seconds. And as you increase in your level, you're going to have a solid foundation. 3, 2, 1, hyperextensions. 10. These are all movements we use a lot in our workouts, so get really good at these base level workouts, so then you can move into our intermediate and advanced workouts. All right, we've got a 30-second rest here. You're doing awesome. Grab some water. And if to really get the most out of this workout, I want you to focus on big, deep breathing during these rests, because that helps to bring the heart rate down. And then when we explode out into those double crunches and those Russian twists, we get the heart rate back up. And we're getting some confusion going in there, and the heart's working a little bit harder, burning more calories, and then that increases the afterburn effect. All right, we're ending on this rest here. We got 3, 2, 1, double crunch. Let's go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Russian twist. You're almost done. You're doing an awesome job. Keep it up. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, bridge. you're getting to the point where this is too hard, just hold that bridge in the upper position. We just want you to get it through the 5 minutes of this workout. 3, 2, 1, hyperextensions. All right, this is the last one. You're doing an awesome job. I am so proud of you for showing up for this workout. 10 seconds, saying yes to your health. You are so much further than all the other people that saw this video and didn't click, didn't show up. 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. That is your workout for today. Congratulations for finishing it. Thank you so much for watching this Workout Wednesday video. If you want to go through this video with just the prompts and the music, I've got that video right here for the next time you go through it. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified of all of our brand new workouts. Thank you so much. We post a brand new Workout Wednesday every single Wednesday, so I'll see you next week.